how to deposit to exchange. So you click. I prefer using exchange because if you use Telegram wallet, you will always transfer it out of it and you pay another gas fee. So let's continue with exchange. Then we all have Bybit for now. So you go to Bybit, same here, click. Now look at Bybit UID. Where do I get my Bybit UID? You go to your Bybit site or app, as the case may be. You sign in. Now look at this up, this place. Click it. This is us. This is your UID. You just click on it. It will copy successfully. If you return back to your Telegram, it's already logged out. So what you do is try your you go to a WhatsApp page or any place you can save it. You save it. You save it there. You go back. You go back to your Bybit. We've gotten our UID. How to get your deposit address done. So you come to your assets. Click assets. You come to deposit. Deposit. Deposit crypto. Deposit with crypto. You click there. You go to your search bar, you put dogs, dogs, dogs. You search it. It's already here. So you click dogs, chain, you choose the chain, turn chain. You choose the chain, turn chain. You click turn chain. Click OK. So this is your wallet address. You copy it. You do same. You put it in a WhatsApp chat that is for you. Keep it there. Or put it in WhatsApp chat that is close to you. You put it there. Then you go back and don't forget to copy this comment or memo. If you don't copy it, your wallet, your token will be lost. So copy this comment, copy it, and place it in a WhatsApp chat. Why? Because if you go back to the Telegram app, before you get there, it's already logged out. So you go back. After you finish this, you'll see the next video. It will continue from the next video. Thank you very much.